Most people think confidence is came from something or somewhere, and most people they think about a confidence, or when they thought about it, the confidence. Someone is born with confidence, or someone is lucky because they have a confidence. That is really complex, different things. Because no one is not born with confidence, and not one of those lucky people they don't have a confidence. So that confidence is came from what you really do in this daily habit, what you really practice in the morning time when you wake up, or when you move out from your bed, and what you do in your daily routine. That's actually build your fluency, your confidence. That's why a lot of people differ from others, because they have a strong foundation of discipline and consistency of confidence. Confidence is not came from different, or is not came from away. You can build a daily with a consistent and simple step. So today I'm gonna give you practical tips you can change it. If you really practice these 5 powerful habits, your life will be completely changed forever. So this video is your turning point video. So if you are here on YouTube watching something meaningful, please subscribe our YouTube channel, because we bring educational and motivational content in every day, if it is possible, and every week if it is possible, and every day we bring an educational and motivational content to provoke you in practical book review and advocating ways. So if you want to learn like this content, be familiar with us. So I'm gonna show you the 5 powerful things, or the 5 powerful habits that makes you really a confident speaker. So let's do it. The first one is, most people have a fear of low self-belief. That's low self-belief again makes you really all things we have in our practical life is equal within our belief, or our belief system. Rumi says, "Other within, other without." That means what you believe in your side is going to give you in outside. That's why a lot of people they don't be successful, because they have a low limit or limited belief on their job. You wanna be successful. You wanna be dreamed, or everybody's have a man who dream in the future, or a man who wants to be in their life, or a girl, or a man, whatever. But they have a limited belief. If I do these things, what if I fail, and what if there is success in it? But that is makes them backward from their life. Because if you have a really powerful belief in yourself, if you have really good belief in your personality, you can make something different in personality. So today, this is the first topic. You're gonna make it something powerful, more than possible. And really, if you really practice this for the next 90 days, you really became powerful and really confident speaker. Then the next one is really inconsistent. I told you this in every videos, and you hear these words every time or everywhere. But a lot of people are saying inconsistent, and every day a lot of are in their time. But that is really wrong, because everybody's needed to be successful. Everybody's needed a really good person in their life. But there was one mistake in the life, that is consistency. You want to set a goal, you want to set a dream, whatever what you want to be in future, someone or something. But to reach that dream, to goal, or to set that, or to hit that goal, you need a consistency. Consistency means someone is going to be a doctor, or someone is going to be an engineer. A little bit, they have a dream. That's a dream. But to get that dream, to gotta be that's goal, you have to be consistent. How you can be consistent and persistent? A lot of people, they don't fail, or they don't get their dreams. They have a goal, not a system. That goal are completely different from the system, because goal is the final result of our dream, or whatever what we call it. The system is the input of what we put it on the actual game. So if you really build a good system, you can make it a something powerful more than you can possible, or whatever what you went to, or whatever what you dream in your mind, you can achieve it. So try to build it a system rather than a goal. What it means, how much, what about the system is actually, it's about how you wake up in every morning. You have a fixed time to wake up, or do you have a fixed time of sleep, or what are you doing in every single day, and what do you do? Do you have a plan to do something in your days? That's what we call it a system. So if you really fixed this problem, you become really powerful and successful person for the next 30 or 60 minutes. So be consistent. Really, you make yourself really powerful and coordinated person. And the next one is, I'm gonna tell you, the really to be confident speaker is to have a daily routine, or a morning wake up. When you wake up in the morning, the 30 days or the 30 minutes morning time is determine your daily time or your daily life, because what you do in 30 minutes, it's actually, or it's completely determine your whole days. For example, if you wake up the 10 a.m. and at a time you wake up, if you hydrated, if you really read a Bible or a book or a Quran, whatever what you do, that's 30 minutes is actually determine your days. But a lot of people at the time of their wake up from their sleep, they do something different. They do something silly things, like they are scrolling in the morning time. That's really kill the confidence of the lot of. So if you want to be really geek confident speaker or confident people, you have to do these things for the next time. Because if you have really geek confidence, or if you have really good daily routine, you make himself really powerful more than it can possible. Because a lot of people, they really don't have these things. If you really can fix this one, you became the best version of yourself. So try to fix this one, and you really became powerful person. The fourth one is the power of reading, or learning new habits and every single day. When you hear the word learning, like you do it like something exaggerating or something boring things. Yeah, actually education is a boring things, but if you really put it something simple, it can be changed a lot forever. So try to learn something important and something powerful things, because at the time of you try to really learning something a little bit in your life, you make yourself powerful more than it can possible. A lot of people, at a time of they have to learn, they are scrolling, they are doing different things, they are doing negative things. This is actually great. This is actually doing something crazy. This is actually or damage their mentality. So if you want to be good, confident speaker, try to really learn for the next 30 days, for the next 30 or 60 or 90 days to be, you have to be learned. And the last or the fifth one is build your communication skill. Every time you really communicate with the people, if you have a good communication, people try to you're confident speaker. But a lot of people in the world right now, they don't have a good communicator with a person, with a partner, or with a college, whatever what in their time. When they spend time, they don't have a really good communication. So communication is, but as studies shows, over 90% of our communication is nonverbal. That means our bodies speak more than our mouths, or it determines our everything. So try to build body posture and make your communication powerful. It's really matter more than it can possible. I really repeated this word many times, but it's really true, because when you really repeated these things forever, really became yourself, you became your best version of yourself. So if you came to Europe, to writing something meaningful, or if you are really interested by this content, please subscribe our content. This is Kenix, the birthplace of real communication powers. So